You've just completed one of the most in-depth journeys into the deep web, dark web, and digital privacy that exists online. But here's the truth. This isn't the end, it's the beginning. Because the landscape is always changing. The threats evolve. The tools evolve. And so must you. Responsibility first. The knowledge you now hold is powerful, and power always comes with responsibility. You've learned how to stay anonymous, how to explore hidden networks, how to trace threats, and protect data. That makes you an asset, but it also makes you accountable. Whether you're using these skills for personal protection, professional growth, or public service, always lead with ethics. Because the difference between a hacker and a criminal is intent. The difference between a researcher and a threat is purpose. And the difference between noise and impact is clarity. Keep learning, keep watching. This world doesn't stand still. Every day, new privacy laws are passed, new exploits are discovered, new technologies from AI to blockchain to quantum shift the rules all over again. So stay curious. Read, research, revisit what you've learned here. The tools in your hands today might be outdated tomorrow, but your mindset, your critical thinking, and your awareness will always stay relevant. You don't need to master everything. You just need to be the person in the room who understands what matters and how to respond. Make it matter. The dark web, anonymity, and privacy aren't just about evading detection. They're about preserving freedom in a digital world where everything is tracked, stored, monetized, or judged. You now have the tools to carve out space for truth, to teach others how to stay safe, to protect what matters, whether that's a community, an organization, or just your own voice. This isn't just technical knowledge. It's a philosophy, and it's one more people need to understand. So take what you've learned, share it, apply it, protect it, and above all, keep going. You're just getting started.